What's the meaning of alfresco? Alfresco. 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 Alfresco.
The term alfresco refers to something that is done in the open air or outside. It is commonly used to describe outdoor dining experiences, events, activities, or simply spending time outside. The word is derived from Italian, where it means, in the cool fresh air. Being al fresco can provide a refreshing change of scenery and a sense of relaxation and connection with nature. It has become increasingly popular in recent years as people seek to connect with the outdoors and enjoy the benefits of fresh air and sunshine.